So I picked this Cast Iron Mini Wok up the other day. I seasoned it. I don't know why, but sometimes I just have the hardest time sleeping. That's a little better. Oh, you guys didn't see that. So I picked this Cast Iron Mini Wok up the other day. I seasoned it, and the idea is to cook a bowl of turkey chili on it today. It's about 24, 25 degrees out here today. I'm in the backyard, just looking to have a little fun. Appreciate you guys joining me. Welcome to Rivers and Coffee. Let's see if I can get this fire going, get some coals in here so we can get that chili started. Okay, we're finally making some headway. Originally I was going to have coffee, and then when the chili was ready I was going to have this Bell's Light-Hearted IPA, but because this fire's taking so long, I should have started this like 6 hours ago. I think I'm going to reverse order here. I'm going to have this beer, and then we'll have the coffee with the chili. All right, I think we're making some headway. Oh yeah. I think we're finally ready to go. Not the best fire, but I think it'll do. A little bit of olive oil. Mushrooms. Onions. Red pepper. We have turkey breast, extra lean, 99% fat free. What do you guys think? Should I just use half of that? probably plenty. Fire roasted diced tomatoes. I think we're ready. Oh, yes. Ooh. Mm-mm. Oh, that is so good. That's a big bowl of chili. I guess it's all mine. I can use a spoon again. Oh, Ooh, that's delicious. Oh man, is this delicious. You guys know I'm not much of a cook, but this may be the best thing I've ever made. Okay, is everybody gone? I don't know why, but sometimes I just have the hardest time sleeping. If you guys stuck around this far, I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys soon.